Okay, let's talk about discussion essay and how to write discussion essay. This is one of the important types. Whenever you appear in IELTS exam, you are most likely to get either opinion essay or discussion essay, right? But then after that, we have problem solution, we have advantages, disadvantages essay as well. Now, what's a discussion essay? The first thing is they will give you two opposing views. For discussion essay, they will give you two opposing views. For example, education in your country and studying abroad. City life, village life. Okay, so they will always give you two opposing views about anything. And they will write two sentences. And it's going to be a compound sentence. Like some people think living in a village is full of peace and serenity. On the other hand, a group of people believe that life in city is charming and it offers more. On the other hand, whilst, vile, and two opposing views. So whatever you understand is like you got to see two opposing views. And after two opposing views, there will be a sentence. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now when they say discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now from the word opinion, don't be misguided that, is this opinion or discussion? When they give you two opposing views and when they say discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now give your own opinion means which view you support. Understand? Right? So this is how you catch the topic. You understand the topic that yes, this is a discussion essay. Very simple. Number one, two opposing views. Number two, at the end it will be written discuss both views and give your own opinion. It means it is a discussion essay. Now, how to deal with the discussion essay? For discussion essay, it's up to you. You can write 4 paragraphs if you want to, or otherwise you can write 5 paragraphs, 4 or 5. Now I'll tell you how to do that. If you write 4 paragraphs, what to write, how many sentences in each paragraph, and if you want to write 5. The first thing is read the topic carefully at least 3 times. When you read the topic first time, you understand the basic thing. Then you read the topic second time, you get to know further. And third time, you read after deciding which view I support. If it is studying in your own country and going abroad, if you support going abroad, so then you need to focus that very thing, right? Now, first you will write introduction. In introduction of a discussion essay, you will write only 3 sentences. Sentence number 1 is general sentence about the topic. If the topic is going abroad and studying in your own country, you say nowadays a vast majority of young people after their graduation wish to go to a foreign country to get a degree in post-graduation or anything like that. So the first sentence is what we call a general sentence about the topic. After this, in the second sentence, you will paraphrase the topic. The topic that they have given you, you will paraphrase the topic in your own words, right? So you can paraphrase the topic like some people believe going to a foreign country is better than studying in land, on the whatever you want to do. Now when you paraphrase, you can change the order because if you copy the question in your introduction, that will be excluded from the word count. So don't copy exactly from the question rubric that they give you. The question paper they give you. Yes. Don't copy exactly. Change the wording, change the order. If they talk about foreign education first, you talk about education in your own country. Change the wording, change the order, paraphrase it. So one sentence to paraphrase, and that must be a compound sentence because there will be 2 opposing views, right? Then we have third sentence, and third sentence of every essay or last sentence of every essay is called thesis sentence. In thesis sentence, what we do, we tell the examiner the type of essay we are going to write. Okay, for discussion essay, what's the thesis sentence? In this essay, I will discuss or I will highlight both sides before reaching a final conclusion. Right? Or in this essay, I will discuss both sides along with my opinion. Something like that. Okay. So in 3 sentences, you can write the introduction of your discussion essay. Is this clear?
Sir,
now,
general sentence हो गया.
General sentence, paraphrasing the topic, and thesis sentence. Thesis sentence tells the examiner the type of essay you are writing. Okay. Now, after this, when you start your essay, second paragraph, body paragraph, in the second paragraph, you will discuss the side you support. If you support foreign education, you will write about that. If you support city life, you will write about that. If you support village life, you will write about that. So the side that you support, you will discuss that. Now, how to discuss? Again, 4 sentences you can write. First, write the topic of that very paragraph. Second, elaborate the topic. Now, you can elaborate the topic in 1, 2, or 3 sentences. It's all up to you. Then you can give a relevant example, and then you can conclude that very paragraph. Okay. And if you agree with that paragraph, or if you support that paragraph, you can say, that is why I agree with this idea, that is why I support the opinion of going to a foreign country, and all that, right? Now, after that, you will write another paragraph, and then you will discuss the second side. Whatever that second side is, you will discuss that, and you will write there what you disagree with. Because if you agree with going to a foreign country, in the second paragraph you say, although people prefer studying in their own country because they don't feel homesick, and sometimes foreign country can bring them such type of problems, but like that. Okay, so you will discuss the second side, but you're going to disagree with the second side because you agree with the first side, right? And after that, you can write conclusion. This is going to be the 4th paragraph. In conclusion, simply you can write 2 sentences, right? In 1 sentence, paraphrase what you discussed in 2nd and 3rd paragraph, and in 1 sentence you can say, that is why I conclude by giving my opinion that going to a foreign country for education is far better than studying inland, and all that. So this is how you complete your discussion essay. Okay, now one more thing. There is another way of writing discussion essay. I'll tell you about that as well, but this one is fine. You can write even 5 paragraphs. Introduction, discuss one side impartially. Discuss other side impartially. Impartially means 3rd person plural. Okay. People think, people believe, according to some people, according to a group of students, and then write a separate paragraph that gives your opinion. Even this is better. You can write a separate paragraph that gives your opinion, and at the end you can write conclusion. So this is how you can write your discussion essay.